Hi guys, I've just found a bunch of Apogee games. I've ordered some acrylic boxes. Big shout out to Mike from Retro Boxed in Poland, who I went to and bought some of those from. He's shipped them over here, and I'm going to show you right now what I found. I can't believe I found some of this stuff. It is absolutely amazing. I know there's a bunch of big box game collectors out there who are going to be drooling all over this. I'm shocked that I found them. I just can't believe them. One of them was on Facebook Marketplace. The other one was a private pick. So I'm blown away. What can I say? So without further ado, here's the whole boxing video of these box games. I hope you enjoy. This is the Halloween Harry DOS Big Box. It's an Australian edition from Manaccom. Inside you get 4 games: Office Block, Factory, Sewers, and Alien Ship. And there's also a bonus game in here, Monster Bash, which makes this set even cooler. It's designed for a 286 with VGA graphics, and strangely enough on the box it says 560 kilobytes of free RAM, which is an unusual spec. And this also has Sound Blaster support. This is an excellent box. This is an original Apogee Giant Gamepak, one of the most packed big box collections I've ever seen. It is loaded with classics like Menace, Blakestone Aliens of Gold, Boppin DOS, Cosmo's Cosmic Adventure, Duke Nukem and Duke Nukem 2, plus Commander Keen Goodbye Galaxy, Commander Keen Invasion of the Vorticons. It's got everything. And I'm only halfway through. You get Hocus Pocus, Major Stryker, Math Rescue, Monster Bash. I can't even pronounce this next one. I've never heard of Panganitsu. I'm going to tell me in the comments if I pronounce that right. Raptor, Secret Agent, Wacky Wheels, Wolfenstein 3D. You get pretty much everything. This is so huge, this thing. It's spread over various CDs with system requirements ranging from a 286 with 1 meg of RAM for games like Halloween Harry to a 386 or 486 for others like Fuzzy's World or even the first Warcraft shareware. It's also got Rise of the Triad shareware, Terminal Velocity, Cold Dreams shareware, and it even includes the Apogee Hot Hits collection, and yes, that means I now have 2 copies of Halloween Harry for DOS. No doubt these bring back a flood of memories, specifically this big box game collection over here. I'm sure most of you who grew up in the 80s and 90s would have played most, if not all, of those games. Anyway, it was a pleasure bringing this to you. It's been a while since I did a big box game review. There are more coming. I've since found another supplier of acrylic boxes here in Australia, and we're about to try them out as well for some of the games that you see up in the studio. We'll see you on the next one.